The heart is a vital organ located within the mediastinum. Its 4 chambers pump blood to the lungs and back to the heart via the pulmonary circuit, and to the rest of the body and back to the heart via the systemic circuit. Blood enters the right atrium from the superior vena cava, which drains the head and upper extremities, and from the inferior vena cava, that drains the lower extremities and the abdomen. When the right atrium contracts, blood is pushed through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle fills, the tricuspid valve closes, and the strings or chordae tendineae pull tight to keep that valve from opening back up as the ventricle contracts, so that blood won't flow backwards back into the right atrium. When the right ventricle contracts, blood is pushed through the pulmonary semilunar valve into the pulmonary trunk. Blood will then head to the lungs for gas exchange. Within the lungs, tiny sacs exchange carbon dioxide waste with oxygen. Carbon dioxide is then exhaled. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium from the pulmonary veins. Blood is pushed from the left atrium through the bicuspid or mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle has a bigger job. It has to pump blood to all of the parts of the body, so it has larger, thicker, muscular walls to do the job. When the left ventricle contracts, blood is pushed through the aortic semilunar valve, through the ascending aorta, over the arch of the aorta, and through the descending aorta. Branches off of this aorta supply oxygen-rich blood to all of the parts within the body.